Here's how to blow up, inflate this kid seat right here. So you're just gonna wanna pop off this little plug right there. So then you can push the pump needle down in there. Make sure it's in there snug, and then just start to pump. You give it a lot of pumps. Dog will find it interesting. Just keep pumping. Now you can see it's taking shape. And then now you can decide how firm or how squishy you want it to be. I'm gonna go a little bit on the firm side. Show you what it looks like all pumped up. Do a little bit more. And then just plug it back up so the air doesn't come out. There you go. You've got a little seat. I'm a lot bigger than a kid, but even I can sit on it just fine, can support my weight, like 165 pounds, so nice little product right here, easy to blow up, comfortable to sit on. Definitely recommend.